folks, Maverick Indicators here. Alright, so we're on this cash account that we've been trading on. We'll trade our funded accounts later, but you guys know I like to knock this trade out early in the morning. And we're just trading micros on this account, just a cash account. And why are we in this trade? So first off, you got the red background. We have finally broken, had a considerable move under the Maverick guide. This blue line is the Maverick guide. We go long when we're price is above it, and we go short when price is below it. Now we're only in 3 micros, and we're doing pretty good here. This is middle of the night trading, but still the same rules apply. We go short when we're below the Maverick guide. We go long when we're above it. We go short when we're below the Maverick guide. We go long when we're above it. Now, you're not going to get huge long moves. It's just 4 in the morning. But if you go back to like yesterday, for instance, yesterday was crazy. Let's see here. Oh, I got my orb thing on here. Perfect. I mean, played out perfectly on the orb strategy. You just had sideways action with the with gold till about 10:55. It finally broke out, and then it stayed on top of this orb line the whole way, and then you just had another breakout, and it just went straight up. We go long when we're above the Maverick guide. We go long when we're below it. That's just one of the rules of our indicator. And right now we have a red background. We're below the blue line. You have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. I'm playing it pretty close here just because it's pre-market. I don't like to trade between 9 and 9:30. It's not my jam. I think there's too much volatility and weirdness and unpredictability between 9 and 9:30. Everybody's anticipating the market opening. We do have a support level right here that I drew out. But hot pink candles. Your Maverick Bear Bull has been calling that the bears have been in charge all the way back here. So this is an indicator that looks at essentially the data of the orders. And this is telling you right now that the bears have been in control since about 8:30. The bears have been in control on gold. So this is really great to see when you have like retracement candles and stuff. You're like, it gives you confidence to know, wait, nope, the bears are still in charge. And yeah, one little spike on your Maverick trender to the upside, but that's we don't pay attention to spikes. We ignore those. We look for the flat tops. And we have a flat top right now. This red line, when it can't go any further and it's flat topped and it's pushed to the top of the panel, that is showing strength and momentum to the downside. You also have a downtrend label down here. So what we do is we stack all this evidence, right? Red background, prices below the blue line. You now are getting a down confidence arrow. Maverick Bear Bull is saying that the bears are in control, and they have been. And then your Maverick trender is pegged to the top with a downtrend. Now, I don't have my Maverick Multi-X up on here. We're testing a bunch of strategies right now, and I am pushing the limits here. I have quite a few. We run multiple machines, and trading a cash account. I don't want to add this. Anyway, long explanation for we have a ton of charts up right now on each machine, and we're running crazy laboratory tests. So I'm just gonna hold tight on this trade. If you guys remember my daily goal on this account, it's about $300 a day. It's just a cash account, and then we'll go and trade our funded accounts, which we'll trade minis on our funded account. Well, I might trade micros. It's a holiday week. You got to stay safe this week. Sorry, sip of coffee. Holiday weeks can be just, we just went through that. Remember, go back and watch my videos from Thanksgiving. So my daily goal is about $300. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off. Oh my, holy, are you serious right now? It just took me. Okay. Sure. I didn't even get to move my profit target. Awesome. Well, what I tell you, if you see pink, it will most likely sink, and you had to have been ready for that. So I made more than my $300 on just 3 micros, and but I would have moved my profit. I would have made a lot more. So here's the lesson for you today, folks. Make sure your stop loss is in, which is always, but really make sure you take profit as far enough away. I'm not going to cry about doing more than my daily goal in a split second there, but I would have. You guys know me. I like a trend. I like to target like way down here, and gold just moves so quick. Yes, I did way more than my daily goal right there, but I don't know. It could be a blessing because now it's retracing back. But boy, that was funny. So if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Not complaining. It came down and it gave me a bunch of money, so I'm not complaining. But that, like I told you guys, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. So if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want tools that are telling you who's in control, the bears or the bulls, or colors your candles with the data that we are actually seeing in behind the scenes versus just red and green candles and size. I don't know. I couldn't trade that way personally. And then something like the Maverick Trender, which is telling you strength and momentum and your trend label. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. And trade safe. It's a holiday week. Feel free to sit on your hands more than normal and stay profitable out there. All right, come check us out. Come read what our traders are saying. MaverickIndicators.com. Happy holidays, folks.